Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this Phinox Underbed storage containers. Alright my friends, so here we go. Sold actually quite a bit, and then I like how this covers, it zips up on the top. That way you keep all the, if there's any dust or anything like that, it's going to keep all your clothes nice. And make sure you have at least over 8 inches space under the bed. And that can just slide right under there just like that. You can also put it sideways if you want to. And look, there's a cat in there. So, lots of space. I like how you could put actually 2 back under there or more. Plenty of storage, so if you need a little extra storage and you have room under your bed and you want to keep it nice and dust free, this also has a little place where you can put this little tag here, so you can mark what's in there if you want toys or stuffed animals or something in there also, or a cat. But yeah, great idea my friends. Pretty sturdy they seem to, roll nice and easy on the cement there, and it works really well. So thanks for watching this review my friends. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day and I'll see you next time.